Hi there! Today we want to tell you about car transformers. They are unique in that they can change their appearance and expand their functionality. And some cars went so far as to become robots, just like in the movies. The creator of this transformer fulfilled the dream of his little son, and this is what he created. For a couple of minutes, this car turns into an Autobot. You should probably think twice about cutting off someone on the road in this baby. The arsenal of this Autobot includes 2 oxygen cannons from which they can be fired. It looks very impressive. And this is the Kia Mojave. It was turned into an Autobot as an advertising campaign. For the first time, this transformer was introduced at the Brazilian Motor Show in 2010. Then it attracted the attention of all the guests, who were pleasantly surprised. The main problem of all car owners in the big city is, of course, traffic jams. Everyone struggles with this problem in their own way. Meet HumRider. Hydraulics can raise the car to a height of almost 2 meters. The wheelbase also increases, and the car can safely pass over other cars sitting in traffic. With numerous cameras on the vehicle, the driver can control the car. The car was created solely to attract attention and for advertising purposes. And this car will be useful for those who like to travel. The French traveler Brice Bader designed this car to transform into a comfortable room with amenities. With its rising roof inside, the car turns into a small room with a kitchen, a toilet, and even a shower. The prototype is made on the basis of the Land Rover Defender and is named Wild Fennec. And in Turkey, they built their own transformer from a BMW. Here it is. The work is done really well. The BMW 3 Series is turned into an impressive Autobot, but unfortunately, it still cannot walk by itself. But in the future, this will be fixed. The car is operated remotely since the construction does not allow the passengers to be placed inside. Well, how do you like these transformers, guys? Would you like to see them in real life? Write your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.